I don't even know what this hair is doing. Like, we got botched. Like, we literally got botched with this haircut. It's fine. I still need to like play with it. I need to give it a little more texture, but for now, this is what we get. Also, I wish that I would have worn pink for this video. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. We're excited. I'm excited. I originally wanted to film this last week, but my Ulta did not have this product until literally like 2 days ago, and I have not been able to open this for like the last 2 days, but it's literally just been sitting in my room. We're finally getting a chance to open her up. As you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, we're gonna be doing a little unboxing slash first impressions on Ariana Grande's new Cloud Pink fragrance. I have her right here, y'all. Like, she's literally still sealed. Like, I'm excited. When I tell you I screamed when I saw this was coming out, I screamed because I was like, how many other versions of Cloud can Ariana Grande come out with? Like, of course, so we have our original Cloud. Then she came out with, oh my gosh. Oh, well, the cap's on the ground. Then she came out with Cloud 2.0. And then this last winter, she did release Mod Vanilla, which I do consider to be in like the Cloud family. I don't know. That's just my personal opinion. But again, you guys, like I said, I'm just seriously so ecstatic to do an unboxing on this guy because first of all, like the packaging is so pretty, you guys. Anyways, I'm just gonna stop chit-chatting. I hope you guys are doing great. So without further ado, let's jump in right into this video. Alright, you guys, before we do a little unboxing, I just wanted to show you guys what the packaging looks like. Again, this is the front of the box. It's literally like this hot Barbie metallic pink. Love it. It just says Ariana Grande, Cloud Pink. And then on the back, we have the beautiful Miss Ariana Grande holding it. Y'all, like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this packaging. It's seriously so cute. It's hard not to throw away packaging, but I don't need the box for anything. I don't. So we're gonna throw her away, but still. Are you guys ready? Like, I'm not. So I love that plastic noise. Oh my gosh, we're like taking off the box's clothes right now. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited. So I did get the Cloud Pink in the 3.4 fluid ounce. I don't know if there's actually smaller size available in this, at least like in stores, because when I went in stores, I think I only saw the 3.4 fluid ounce, which is the largest size that you can get. All right, and then quickly, I just wanted to go over the key notes. So on the top, we have pink pineapple, dragon fruit berries. Middle is vanilla orchid, coconut water, blush amberette, and then the base is magenta moss, amber woods, and musk praline. So the fragrance family is warm and spicy. I can't wait, y'all. I love amber, and hopefully this does it for me. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's seriously so pretty. Let's go ahead and take her out. You guys, here is Cloud Pink. She is seriously so beautiful. Welcome to the family. Oh my gosh. Meet your siblings. We have Cloud. Oh my gosh, like the blue and pink together. It's giving cotton candy. Oh my gosh. And then I wish I had the cap, but she's on the floor and I'm not gonna go get her. Y'all, like, I'm so excited. She is seriously stunning. So of course we have our Cloud base. Then we have the actual bottle. You guys, like, look at her. Look how pretty that is. I'm seriously so excited for this. Gotta make sure there's nothing on my arm. I just have moisturizer on. So let's go ahead. We're gonna take her out and we're gonna spray her for the first time. Oh my gosh, okay. So again, it did say there's pink pineapple, dragon fruit on the top notes. So hopefully that comes through. Let's go ahead and give her a couple spritz. Right, we're gonna just pat it in. Make sure not to rub your fragrances. You wanna make sure you pat it in. Let's give her like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh. Okay. She's definitely giving Cloud. All right. I want to let her like dry down a little bit to see if we get more of like that fruitiness that it says it has. But right off the bat, you're definitely getting the Cloud. You're getting that cotton candy vibe. The more time I give it to dry it down, I can definitely smell like that pineapple. It's not as strong as I thought it was gonna be, but I can definitely smell her. And I feel like this one is definitely more cotton candy too. Like it's it's definitely like a fun tropical cotton candy kind of vibe. Oh my gosh. I love that so much. She's good. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go ahead and just like spray her on me, right? Why not? Oh, this smells so good, you guys. Y'all, also, I desperately need to get a new regular cloud. Look how much left is in that. I do have a little bone to pick with Ulta right now. I've been seeing everybody get like a free gift with purchase. Like they're getting like Ariana Grande playing cards. And I'm like, I didn't get those. So I'm literally gonna call up my Ulta and I'm gonna be like, hey, like, do y'all have these in stock? I just purchased the Cloud of Pink and did not get one. If you guys have them in stock, can I go get mine? So I will definitely keep you guys updated, but overall, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a couple more spritz on my wrist to see if we get more of like that fruitiness. Because like, again, it's light. I wanna say like that pineapple and dragon fruit, like top notes, they're super light on the skin. I wish it was a little bit stronger, but oh my gosh. She's still good though. Still good. I do wish that this fragrance would have come out during like the beginning of summertime. Now that we're getting into fall time, it's like, I don't know if you're gonna really be reaching for something that's like a little fruity, tropical-y, but honestly, if you like it, wear it. I feel like this would definitely be a good one to wear during the winter time around like Christmas. That's a good, acceptable kind of way to like wear it, but during the fall time, I'm not exactly sure. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Cloud Pink unboxing. Again, Miss Cloud Pink, welcome to the family. Like, oh my gosh, I'm literally just obsessed with like how they all like look together. Like, oh, they're literally so cute together. I'm obsessed. Again, welcome to the family. We're glad you're here. We're glad you're here to stay and can't wait to play with you a little bit. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later this week with a brand new video. Bye guys.
Don't jump into that car tonight. I'm not leaving.